Optional power adapter included. Wi-Fi thermostats typically require extra power via AC wire. Many homes lack this wire, so this adapter gives you a simple, low-voltage alternative. It's easy to install and fits discreetly near your heating and cooling system. Extra power via AC wire. Many homes lack this wire, so this adapter gives you a simple, low-voltage alternative. It's easy to install and fits discreetly near your heating and cooling system. 7-day flexible scheduling or location-based temperature control, it's your choice. 7-day scheduling programs your thermostat. Geofence technology helps make you comfortable by using your smartphone's location to know when you're away and when you return. Programs your thermostat. Geofence technology helps make you comfortable by using your smartphone's location to know when you're away and when you return. Smart alerts. Push notifications remind you to change your filter and warn you of extreme indoor temperatures. Auto change from heat to cool automatically determines if your home needs heating or cooling to provide maximum comfort. Fan operation. Custom fan settings to circulate more or less air, as needed, to keep air moving throughout your home. Fan control dependent on wiring configuration. ENERGY STAR certified. Top reviews from the United States. Great thermostat. I wanted to upgrade to a Wi-Fi thermostat for my home to have more control over my heating, cooling. This was very easy to install because I already had a Honeywell thermostat. The wires were already labeled and plugged into their proper places, so I luckily did not have to deal with figuring out which wire goes where and what it was for. I just had to take note of what wires I had for my system, then I just popped the old thermostat off and popped the new one on. Because I had AC wire, I didn't need to use the adapter that it came with. It turned on and then I was able to go through the setup process. You absolutely need to know model numbers for your system so that you look up and research what type of heating, cooling you have, how many stages each has, whether it's forced air, etc. If you do not have this info, then you will not be able to set it up correctly. I just typed in all the model numbers into Google and I was able to find all of the info for the questions that it asked during setup. This step is very important.